In this video, we will learn how to create an iCloud account. If you already have an Apple ID, then you can keep your Apple ID as an anonymous ID and use iCloud. And we will also learn how to add this iCloud email ID to your mail app to receive and send emails using that anonymous account. And of course, it has iCloud domain. So what you need to do, just follow step by step, like, subscribe and share if you want. If not, that's okay, you're my friend. Go to setting, click on your email account, go to iCloud. Here you will see mail. If you didn't set up an email account before, then you will see this option to set up a new email account. Here you can type your email ID. You can keep the existing Apple ID, whatever it is, but I'm gonna choose a different one. You can choose the different one as well. I choose this cloud ID, continue and confirm the email address. Here we go. We got a new iCloud email ID that you can use to send and receive emails. Click on Done button. Now click on Mail again and you will see this email ID there. If you want to receive your iMessages and FaceTime to this email account, then you can choose yes. I'm not gonna choose that because this is just to teach you. Go to Mail and you will see your newly created iCloud account here. You can do the further settings. In the meantime, you can go all the way down, and if you want to purchase a specific domain, you can buy here. Now, how to add it to your mail account? It's already added. If not, then go back, scroll all the way down, click on Apps, search your Contacts, click on that, and here are contact accounts. There are multiple accounts I have added. Click on that. Scroll all the way down and you will find this option, Add Account. And here you can also create new account using iCloud or Gmail, but in this video we are talking about iCloud, and you can add that account we just created there, or you can create a new Apple account here as well, and that will be associated to your iCloud. Now, to double check, send and receive emails, go to your mail app that is already on your iPhone or macOS, and here under mailboxes, scroll all the way down and you will find this iCloud. Your email is gonna be here. Let me send an email to this newly created iCloud account from my Gmail account. I write the title test and hello, we are testing. Now send this email. The email has been sent. Now open your mail app and under mailbox, go all the way down, go to inbox, and here we got this email. Hello, we are testing. You can clearly see that it is from my other account and this one is @icloud.com. So this is how you can create an anonymous iCloud email ID using your existing Apple ID. Oh, by the way, if you want to approach me next time, then here is my email account for any sponsorships, or you can send money if you want. I don't refuse. See you in the next one. Bye.